you know it's a Sandra drip when she got her white jean jacket on and her hoops, bitch. Y'all already know what's up. Y'all know the vibes. Period. Bitch, what? Yes, bitch. Yes. Hey y'all, it's Sandra whatever. Y'all already know it's poppin'. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra. I upload beauty videos. If you're returning, welcome back. What's up? What's poppin'? Y'all already know the vibes. Today I'm feeling energetic. I was kind of sick earlier this morning, so if I sound weird, I'm so sorry. If you want to know how to get this bomb ass look, bitch, keep on watching. Today my brows did not want to cooperate with me, and they want to look like this. They want to look fucking retarded. Like, they just want to look stupid today. God damn. But I'm just blending out concealer on my lids. It's the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Set the lids in place with, oh, I didn't even show the product, with airspun powder. This is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And this palette is okay. Some eyeshadows in here is pigmented, and some eyeshadows in here is not that pigmented. Like these two yellow shades, because both of these are trash. So I'm just packing that yellow shade in my inner corner and then just buffing it out with a brush. And I'm going to blend a little bit at the top and the inner edges of it. Doing the same process, but using the My2 Cosmetics palette, using that orange shade, packing it in, and then buffing it out with a brush. Now I'm going back into that BH Cosmetics palette, using that pink shade, packing it in, and then buffing out the edges. So now I'm going back into that My2 Cosmetics palette, using that blue shade, packing it in, and then buffing it out. Just to blend everything out, I'm going into lighter shades of each shade I put on my lid, and just using that to have like a nice transition and ombre effect. Like, I never show this part, but I always use like this mascara. This is like the Kiss, oh yeah, my fault. This is like the Kiss I Envy mascara. Going in with the Iconic lashes. These are the style 22. I'm gonna just do this shit off camera, like the rest of the eyes, and I'm gonna be right back. Use my Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, and this is in the shade 355. This foundation mixed in with this is like bomb. Like, y'all already know this is like my favorite concealer. If y'all know, this is a concealer I use in every tutorial because this is a great concealer. Now, I used to go ham with concealer. Like, if you saw my first makeup look, bitch, I went ham. I'm gonna do an updated makeup routine or whatever. My holy grail powder is the airspun powder, and I mix it like a little bit with Sacha Buttercup in it, just so it has a more like yellow undertone. But I'm gonna just set everything in place with the Black Radiance palette. Alright y'all, so I touched up my eyes, did the liner, blended everything a little bit more, finished the face, contoured, added blush, highlight, all that good jazz. Now and I also set my face, by the way. So now the only part I gotta do left is, line my lips, do my lippies, and then we out. So I'm gonna just do that right now for y'all.